what's up guys? Danny from Opa-locka 5 again. We had this Maybach. We have some fleets that we're servicing cars. It's actually a rental. They're from Volkswagen and Audi, all OEM. A nice ride. If you need any service in regular, just any German car, we do it. It can be a Mercedes, a BMW, a Mini, Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, of course. Whatever German you have, we can fix it. This one is, we just lowered it recently, put these Macan wheels. This is actually our secretary guy's car. Finally got him into a Volkswagen. It's a EOS VR6 3.2 front-wheel drive DSG. Fun car. Just did redone the interior. These are getting wet a lot, so the seats were messed up. So replaced the seats, replaced the door cards. So these are some Raceland Ultimos maxed out. Did some paint correction, did some seal condition. For these seals on the EOS, it's some kind of interesting, but it's an OEM Volkswagen part number part. It's actually a lubricant where you can use on the roof, and you can prevent from drying out, and it prevents from leaks. Actually, we cleaned all the drains. The drains on the seals are very important on the EOS. There are many seals having drains all around the car. Trying to keep the car dry, but it's not really going well on the EOS, so they work on that too. VR6 Turbo. I think a 4-inch map housing with the OEM.
It's very rich
map.
though.
Very rich, but 14.4 is not too bad. Sounds like it has a misfire on like very little, but it maybe could be a wrong spark at the wrong spot or a wrong something like that. It runs much better than before. It hasn't even been running too long at all.
Oh, brand new.
Yeah. It hasn't been ran. This is like the first 30 minutes that it has been running since it's built. We located the charge cooler, sent it to a friend of ours, United Motorsports, got the piping done, got custom with vibrant clamps. They did the downpipe. The wastegate also goes into the downpipe. It's not an open dump. He wanted it something solid. It has a fuel system. Put some upgraded fuel pump in there. Volvo 525. No codes means car is good. No, not necessary, but yeah. It's gonna be going to Tampa. It's gonna get dialed in. The tune is gonna be dialed in over there. It's gonna go on the dyno, and then it's gonna be drivable. It's not drivable yet. It's leaving after like a year. I'd be very sad. Just kidding. I'm so happy that it's leaving. I hate it. No, I don't hate any car. I love Volkswagens. I think it's a beast.
VR6 piece of shit.
Runs so smooth. Runs so smooth. No? It runs really good. Not that bad.
It's got a 30cc 2-stroke engine, gas, 2-stroke, so you mix the oil in it. It's kind of just like a hobbyist boat. It's nothing serious to race. Yeah. This is all custom. It usually has a clutch here. I deleted the clutch, so now it's just direct drive. Cut the cable, put a new carburetor on it,
They did the tank.
Did a fuel cell instead of a gas tank, so I don't lose fuel when I flip it. It's okay. It's all fiberglass. Start it up. Be careful with the prop. Don't touch it.
Okay.
Floating up like this. It was just floating up like this. So here down, it was all in water. I took the spark plug out. I just pulled it a couple times, put it back on. I primed it again and started right up.
We have a problem with the serpentine belt making a noise. We don't have a belt on right now, we're waiting for a pulley. We're gonna tip the front because the pulley has a long ass bolt and it doesn't come out without moving the front end. I have to put it to service position. That's what we're gonna do tomorrow or after tomorrow. It's a nice S4. We replaced the engine, we replaced the tranny, then the tranny got built, then we replaced the clutch. So it has been messed with a couple of times. It doesn't have many miles, but it already has engine replacement. Probably this motor has 20,000 miles or 30. The guy loves the car. He has an S3 too. It's hot in here in Florida. Summer just came in. This came in for AC compressor, condenser, flush. Basically a full AC repair. If you guys need anything in the hot summer, you can do that too.
You don't want to talk to me? No. Please. Me too.
Thank you guys for checking in. This is all for this week. I hope you liked it. Be back next week.